Don't screw this up, shitface.
Yeah, take one of the others. I need a picture of me.
Holding the bottle?
I'm like drowned.
Come on, Sarah, get in the picture.
What is it without beer?
We look good.
Hey, why did they call you Cheese?
Maybe it's because his face looks like a pizza.
I think it's more pepperoni than cheese. You?
That is so disgusting. Where to, guys?
Party at Ricky's house. Go home, get dressed.
All right. Thanks.
Hey, where's Ricky's house?
Yo, thanks for letting us use your pool, man. Let us know when your parents are out of town again.
Hey. Have fun at the you know.
The party?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do I have a choice? Is there something else to do?
Well, you know, you were obviously asking the wrong guy.
Why is that?
I'm just the pizza boy.
Right. Well, take care.
That was whack, shitface. That was seriously whack. I mean, I'm just the pizza boy. Your door was open. It was open. And then you just had to be yourself and then slam. You know, you could make up for this fugly mug of yours if you could just grow some balls, but you can't do that, and you're more nutless than a starving squirrel. That was whack, shitface. That was seriously whack. I mean, I'm just a pizza boy. Your door was open. I mean, it was open. And then you just had to be you, and then slam! It's shut! You could make up for this fugly mug of yours, dude. You could. You just gotta grow some balls, but you can't do that, and you're more nutless than a starving squirrel. I mean, let's be real here, man. Let's break it down. She doesn't want anything to do with you and your stupid face. She was asking to do anything at all besides go to that party, and then you just messed everything up, you know? Eliminate any false hope, scare her away, run her away, scare her off. She's not yours anyways. Happiness is not meant for you, it's meant for others. Deal with that, okay? You're gonna be alone, you're gonna live and die alone. You suck, shitface. You seriously suck. Watch your back, Jed. Watch your back, dude.
Jeez. What up, dude? How was that party?
It sucked. I did talk to Sarah, though, so that was awesome.
Loverboy fell on his face again.
Shut up, dude. I got everything I need here anyways. I got games, I got food, I got porn. It's awesome.
The pleasures of life.
Simple pleasures, broski.
That's all we need, man.
Watch your four, watch your four. You got guys coming on you, man.
Come on, help me
What
out
the
here.
fuck are you doing over there? I'm getting murked, dude. You help me out, man.
No, man, you gotta save yourself.
Whatever. I'm gonna go take a shit. Okay. Whatever. Turn down your volume, freak face. You blowing stuff up?
No, haven't done anything in a minute.
I think I'm gonna call it, dude. I'm gonna just fap it and crash.
It's Friday. Man, you cray.
I pooped. I'll catch you in the AM.
All-nighter for me. You're gonna be way behind, dude.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Flash. Go. Flash 2. Go.
Looking for something?
I don't know. It depends on what you stole, asshole.
I don't want anything of yours. That's for sure.
My dad built these fences around this place high. You're trapped.
Tell me about it.
I got a gun inside. Just drop whatever you have and, I'll let you leave.
I don't have anything. And I can't leave.
Just come on out.
You sure about that?
Just get the hell out here now. Don't look at me like that.
You like that?
What's going on? I'm done, Nick. What did you call me? Nobody calls me that. Just tell me who you are and why you're here, and I'll let you go. I'm done with the stupid nicknames. I'm done with the spiteful, chastising pity sessions. I'm done with you, Cheese. This isn't funny anymore. I'm not making jokes here.
Once I come out, I can't go back in. So you and me, we're done.
Come out of where? What the hell's going on? Who the hell are you? You're my reflection. What? How? How? Why? Why did you do it?
I couldn't live with you for a lifetime.
Wait a sec, you can't just roll out on me after 16 years, man, can you?
I can if I don't like you.
So what's so bad about me, man? I'm cheese. Everybody likes me. I have not done anything wrong to anyone ever.
Bullshit. All you did was humiliate me.
You know what? F off. You know what? See if I care. You know, take off. I'll stare at a blank mirror for the rest of my life. At least I won't have to deal with this torture anymore. Do you know how disgusting your face is?
That's not my face, Nick. There can't be two of us. Not for much longer, anyways.
There is not two of us, you derp. I'm the freaking cheese. I'm the flesh and blood. I'm the original, and you're whatever you are, but you are not me.
Look, give me a reason I should let you stay, instead of me, because I can't find one. Nick.
Stop calling me that! Get it through your skull! It's cheese! The big cheese! I'm the class clown, the doofus gamer, the guy that the girls run from! The shit face!